She's like, what's your name, little fella? What do you think? Our Daisykins, huh? Your sister's already laying on the bed over here. Yeah, somebody's tired, huh, Worm? Morrison, you share your bed with her, huh? Yeah, Daisy, there's a bed right there. Come here. You want to lay down? Come here. Yeah, somebody else take that bed, huh? Well, maybe if it's my thought, maybe I'll do it. Good girl. Good job. Yay. Good job. Right, Chloe? Lola Falana. Gotta make it yours. Gotta nest. Gotta go around in circles. Good girl. Yay, Daisy. Good job.